So I'm leaving this space right here so that they will work on drawing out all the comb on these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frames, and then it should be nice and drawn out, and then I'll just add more frames. So I just sprayed sugar water on these frames, and I'm about to go get them and bring them before I lose more daylight. I'm gonna install this package tonight. Doing it right. This sugar water is going to help them stay in the hive and get nice and full so that they don't feel like they have to move locations, and they'll have resources immediately upon moving in. All right, working in complete darkness. But that's okay. Anything for the kids. All right, I've got my tweezers to open up the queen cage. There's a cork on 2 ends of the queen cage, and we learned from the very first package of bees, we have to undo the cork on the candy end. Now what I'm doing here with these rubber bands is I am going to put 2 of them so that I can wedge the queen cage right in here on one of the frames, so that the bees will follow her into the hive. We've learned so much in the 2 years we've been doing this. So I'm gonna leave this frame with the rubber bands ready to receive the queen. And our package of bees is just right here. And they're super quiet. Super quiet. So I'm gonna spray them down with some sugar water. Not too much, but I am kind of soaking their wings a little bit. It'll also make them kind of lick the sugar water off each other. And it's nighttime, so they really won't be flying a lot. There we go. We don't need this. Well, we need it just for a second. Okay, I got it loose. Now the queen cage is attached here. Nope. I learned the first time not to drop the queen in the cage with the rest of the bees. I think I need to shake them down, which is going to be hard with one hand, but it's okay. I'll just leave that there. All right, queen inspection time. All right, she's in there. Now I need to look at the candy end, which is right here. I know you can't see very well. This is the candy end. The queen is in there. Oh yeah, I see her moving around. So I remove the candy end of the cork. Okay, good, done. Now I'm gonna put the queen right here. Okay, queen side out on this frame with my rubber bands. Okay, she's there. She's going in. There's my tool. Now all the workers are going to want to go to her right away. I've sprayed these frames with sugar water. I've put my sugar water in there. Now it's time for the big shake. And I don't have the top, so I'm going to shake them off. Actually, you know what? I'm going to be smart and go get that top right now. I'm going to give them one more little squirt. I'm going to squirt a little bit more on the top here of the frames. They're probably tired from traveling and they're ready to be with their queen. I'm going to put this can down in there and shake them down. All right. There's a lot of them in there. And all of a sudden, I'm hoping I did this right. There were not very many that were dead, so that was really good news. And now they're going to try to be with their queen. I am actually going to not put the top on because look how many there are. I would be crushing a lot. So we'll do a checkup in the morning. Here we are at the hive. Let's pick up my handy dandy little light. Oh yeah. So a lot of these that are left are, looks like the dead ones probably. And a lot of them just seem to be still. They're kind of huddled around the package. Very normal. They're just trying to find their queen. They're going down in there for the sugar water. I'm sure they're very, very happy with that. They're huddling together. It's not cold outside at all, so that's good. It's not windy right now. So since there's so many on the edges, I'm not going to mess with putting the lid on because I don't want to crush any of them.